Okay, hello. So we just opened here within yesterday's range and of course Friday's 200 points range or so. So we need to see if price can go up towards yesterday's high and what it will do there if it managed to break out and hold sustain a breakout. So if I see initial balance high breakout, then pullback will try to go long for yesterday's high breakout, then eventually price to go higher. Of course, need to be aware of a fake out move here at yesterday's highs and price to reverse back inside. So we need to give it some time to see how this will trade. Currently held support at yesterday's point of control and is trading above yesterday's value area high. So let's give it some time. Okay, so price failed to extend higher here and held resistance, now testing initial balance low. Need to see if this attempt to break down will be sustained. If I see a rebound here, I will try to go short for a continuation towards 800s. So let's see. Initiated a short position here at 27s, price failing to go above initial balance low as for now. So we need to see if it goes just straight down here towards yesterday's lows and what it does there. Hopefully this will not just reverse back inside here, so let's see. Yeah, finding some support here below. So price failed to extend below initial balance low, line in the sun is VWAP and midpoint of initial balance here to see if price will manage to continue its downtrend or if price will eventually spike above here. So let's see. So price held resistance here at VWAP and midpoint of initial balance. So we need to see now if we manage to break down lower and go towards 800. This will be nice trade. Still short 27s here, looking for yesterday's low retest. Let's see if this happens. Out of the short trade here, no reason to hold. This is getting absorbed here at the low, so perhaps we'll see a spike higher here. So just mostly scratch the trade 5 points. So we need to see if this absorption here will lead to a short covering rally and price move towards the upside. Not the most rangy cash open at the moment, so perhaps a long against this. So let's give it some time to see. Initiated a long trade at 33 is here against initial balance low. Can see immediately support here. So against 27s here, 6 points of risk. So looking to see if this eventually will hold here and price will move towards the other side of the range. Otherwise, if this doesn't happen, will not get involved within while we have been in the middle of the previous day's range. Better wait for either the high or the low to see if price holds support or if it holds resistance or if it continues higher here. Basically, this is very narrow range in here. So this should be the last trade until price touches either edge of previous day session. And basically this is what happens when you have big days like Friday session. You can see here now 2 days this weekend just ranges slightly. Also you can see other big days. Then we had 3 days inside the previous candles range, so expectation should be limited, I guess. Out of the long trade here for 2 points, no reason to hold this. Better allow this to do what it's like to do here, this very tight range, and focus on the edges here. This is lacking either side, so better stay out of this. Okay, hello. So here we are a few hours later. You can see price, as said earlier this morning, to focus on the lows here, 800s, and yesterday's low. I got long here earlier this morning, scale out 2/3 of my target. Then broke even the rest. Then wasn't on the screen here after this failed to extend lower, and you see this going again above yesterday's lows. This means short covering rally, because everyone who is short against this level for a potential downside will need to cover. That's why you see this aggressive, very nice rally, especially this pullback held support on VWAP and price spiked further upside. So waiting to see now if price will give a retest at the high of the day or yesterday high, and what it does there if it fails will be a potentially great short trading location for price to reverse all the way back in the midpoint of this balanced day. So let's give it some time to see. So basically we like to see if price can retest 848 or yesterday's high here. Better avoid trading within this range here, and having a potential resistance here for a potential short opportunity. Also we see dollar index heading lower at the close of the session, which is pushing euro dollar higher. Of course this will weigh on DAX. Also need to see what SPY will do. Give this some time to go at the edges of the day up to 48 or 65 yesterday's high. Initiated a short position here at 26s, just against this failure here above initial balance midpoint, looking to see if price will manage to go towards 800s again. Line in the sun for this is VWAP, although trade immediately against a few points. So let's see, entries at 26 here, looking to see if we manage to go towards 800s, eventually the low of the day. Also we see price failed here this morning, and perhaps it's another time to fail here, as this resistance got held here and got sold. So looking to see if it goes further down. Also we have dollar weakness here, which will most likely, if it continues, will weigh on equities, and we see some selling pressure potentially. So let's see. Out of the short trade, once I enter here, immediately price went against, so this is pushing higher now. Perhaps we see a breakout of yesterday's high. Also it's month end today, so might see some flows. Let's give it some time to see if it can manage to go at yesterday's highs. Initiated a long position against initial balance low. Price held support so 3 times or so. So looking to see if eventually we'll manage to go all the way up to yesterday's highs, then eventually 940s. Not sure if this will happen this session here, but towards 900s. So got short earlier on here, although price immediately went against me. So now looking to use this area as an area of support here and anticipate a move up to yesterday's high. Also SPY at the high of the day. The only issue with this is that we have DXY dollar's weakness, which is likely to push equities towards the downside. But until this happens, now using this support here for a potential move up to 864s or so. So let's see if this happens. Out of the long trade here for 5 points, no reason to hold this. Is again, once I enter here, immediately against the trade. As I said earlier, we have dollar weakness here, so better do not involve at all here unless price goes at the edges of previous day's range. This is very choppy here, unless you're willing to risk more than 10 points for the trade. So better give it some time to see if it goes at the edges. So price managed to hold support here on VWAP. I initiated a short trade here at 48 against this high from previous this morning. Is looking to see if price will manage to go back inside the range. Scale out first target here, 10 points into the trade. So very nice failure up here. You can see the edges of a balanced day is always the best trading location. Now I would like to hold this as we're getting closer at the European cash equity close in 20 minutes to see if we have a pullback down to VWAP at least. Scale out further the position here, looking to see if we manage to sell further as we're getting closer to the European cash equity close. Flatten the rest of the trade here for a scratch. Nice two profit targets, took 10 points out of this. So you can see price spiking higher here. So basically today, I said earlier this morning, to focus on the edges of previous day session. Very nice support here. Initially got the long trade, although haven't managed to go long after the fake down happened to capture a nice short covering rally. If you would subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service, which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free. Then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this.